Hey everybody, Photoman here, back with another video. In 1904, Father Faroux and his nephew, Michael Faroux, departed Savoie, France, for the Big Knife area of Alberta. At one time, the settlement known locally as Notre de Savoie even had a post office. In 1908, Father Louis Lacomte of Rome arrived, and after joining the existing settlers here, began construction of the Notre Dame de Savoie Church and also St. Joseph's Church in Halkirk. Now almost surrounded by the Paint Earth coal mine, I'm happy to learn that the mine is prohibited from taking coal from the cemetery.